Hello our friends, my name is Ludmila from Livingstone Estates. Today I have a big pleasure of touring you around this brand new villa in the heart of Marbella's Golden Mile. The property consists of a large plot, 1,200 square meters, with built inside area 667 square meters. It consists of 5 bedrooms with 6 bathrooms, over 3 levels, plus the rooftop solarium. We are greeted by this beautiful outdoor fountain next to this massive wooden front door. The reception area has an open concept, which is both inviting and well distributed. On the right side, we have installed wardrobes and the first guest bedroom with its own bathroom and suite. Over here we have a dining area which can sit up to 10 people and an American-style kitchen with a brand new AEG appliances. The kitchen is scented by the huge island, which is perfect for hosting large parties and entertaining your guests. The double-sized fireplace has been decorated with a minimalistic approach to split the dining area and the television room. And at the same time, it lets you keep the audio and visual flow between the parts of the living areas. One more main concept which you will find across the whole villa are these large windows that allow you easily to extend indoor space into the outdoor space just by sliding these doors. And that is right, the pool and garden area are almost the extension of the ground floor level. The terrace has a lounge, a covered dining area, outside shower and built-in barbecue grill. Coming back inside, this majestic floating staircase will take us to the basement. On this level, as expected, you can find a laundry room, a fully equipped gymnasium, a cinema room, extra guest bathroom and extra bedroom with its own bathroom and suite. In this large carriage, you can park at least 3 cars inside. And now we are on the upper level with the 3 bedrooms and suites, including the master bedroom. If you are tired to use the staircase, you can use this comfortable elevator, which connects 4 levels from the basement till solarium. And now we are in the master bedroom, and here you can notice again the main concept of the villa, large windows from the floor till ceiling. You will be impressed by this private covered terrace of the master bedroom with the spectacular views to the sea and Gibraltar and to La Concha mountain. Over here we have 2 more other guest bedrooms with their corresponding baths in suite 2 and exit to the private terraces with the privileged views of La Concha mountain. And now finally welcome to the rooftop solarium. And here again we have a barbecue corner, a space ready to install a jacuzzi and 360 degrees views of Marbella from above. This villa has air conditioning for hot and cold, underfloor heating, electric blinds in the bedrooms and alarm system. To sum it all, we should say that this property combines the modern luxury of exclusive villa with the comfort of the living in the heart of the city. Please contact to Livingstone Estates if you would like to book an appointment to see this spectacular property close and personal.